Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Vantage to TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, create a Vantage account if you don't already have one. Open the Vantage website, click Create Account, and complete the registration process. Next, open TradingView and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and log in. Once you're inside TradingView, open any chart you want. Then go ahead and click on this trade icon to open the broker panel. Inside the broker section, use the search bar and type Vantage. When Vantage appears in the list, click Connect. A login window will appear, asking for your Vantage account details. Enter your login information and confirm the connection. After signing in, TradingView will connect to your Vantage account. Once connected, you'll be able to place trades, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from TradingView. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Vantage to TradingView. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.